I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. We'll unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello, my students. I hope you are having a great day. Today we're going to be learning about decimals on a number line, okay? So we learned about decimals last week, and now we're going to be learning about decimals on a number line. They're going to be kind of tricky, kind of hard, but don't worry, I got you, okay? I'm going to help you out, okay? Why do I need to know about place value decimals on a number line? Teaks 4.2h. Let's get started. Remember, if you see this, pause the video and write down what's on the screen, okay? Story time. So imagine I have a chocolate bar, right? And I bite into it and I want to know how much is left, okay? So if I imagine the chocolate bar like if it was a number line, okay? I can say I ate this much and I have this much left. Well, I want to know how much I have left in decimals, okay? So if I have one full bar of chocolate, okay, I bite into it, how much do I have left in decimals, okay? That's what we're gonna learn today. I can statement, okay? I can determine the corresponding decimal to the tenths or hundredths place of a specific point on a number line, okay? Essential questions. How do you find a decimal on a given number line? Well, that's what we're going to learn today. Important vocabulary that you need to learn. Number line, parts of a whole, and whole, okay? Number line. A picture that represents numbers as points on a line. Alright, so the first number line we have here is going from 1 through 10. And we know those are whole numbers. Today we're going to learn what type of numbers on a number line. Good, decimals, okay? Parts of a whole. Pieces of a whole, for an example, like a slice of a pizza, okay? So in this one, it's a whole because it's entire, right? It's the whole thing. But then here, we're missing something, and that's parts of a whole, because it's a slice of just a pizza, okay? Whole, not a fraction or a decimal. It's the entire thing. Here we have one entire whole pizza, so this can be represented by 1. Alright, whole numbers. Remember, it's 1, 2, 3, those type of numbers, not a fraction, a half, not a decimal, and 3/10. It's an entire thing, okay? Let's watch this video really quick, okay? Let's see what we can learn from this.
Hey everybody, today we're talking about tenths and hundredths on a number line. We'll start by taking a trip back in time when we had a number line from 0 to 100, and we broke that into 10 equal parts, and each of those parts was 10. Or when we had 0 to 10, and we break that into 10 equal parts, each of those spaces represents 1. So when I go from 0 to 1, and I break that into 10 equal parts, do you remember what each one of those parts is called? Anyone?
So we're going from 0 to 1. Okay, we're not going from 0 to 10, so these tags, these little marks right here, it can't be 1, 2, 3 because it's 0 to 1.
It's a tenth. So that
tenth.
makes that first tick mark 1 tenth, the next tick mark 2 tenths, next tick mark 3 tenths.
What do you think? What do you think the next one is gonna be? Good, let's find out.
Next tick mark 4 tenths, and so on.
Alright, so here we have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, and 9/10. and then we get to our whole number, which is 1.
Let's look at an example. Here we have the space between consecutive whole numbers 7 and 8. The space in between is broken into 10 equal parts. We're asked where...
Okay, so we have a whole number 7 and a whole number 8. They're right next to each other. Okay, and if we have 10 tick marks, that means my number has to be in the 10th place. Okay, so let's see what we can find out.
Where is point Z? Well, the first tick mark is 7 and 1/10. The next one is 7 and 2/10.
Alright, she said 7 and 1/10. Okay, last time we didn't do a whole number, but now we are. We're in the ones place. That 7 is in the ones place, okay?
Next one is 7 and 3/10, which makes Z 7 and 4/10. Good job. So now that we understand how tenths work, what happens when I take the space from 0 to 1/10 and then break that into 10 parts? What is each of those spaces? They're called hundredths.
So now we're getting smaller, okay? So first we're going from 1 to 10, and those are whole numbers. Now we went from 0 to 1, and that was broken down to tenths. And now we're getting even smaller, which is from 0 to 1/10. And now the tick marks in the middle are a hundredth, or hundredths.
So that makes that first tick mark 100.
100,
Second tick mark
200,
Third tick mark 300.
300,
Fourth tick mark 400.
400.
Well, I think you get the idea. Let's
Wow.
look at an example. So here we have the space between 9 and 1/10 and 9 and 2/10, and it's split into 10 equal parts.
So think of it like money, okay? There's $9.10, and then on the other side there's $9.20, okay? How do we go from $9.10 to $9.20? Well, I can add pennies, right? $9.10, add 1 penny, $9.11. Add another penny, $9.12, okay? That would mean 9 and 12 hundredths, okay? Think of it like money.
We want to know, where is T?
What is
Maybe
T?
This would be a little easier to look at if I remind you that 9 and 1/10 is the same as 9 and 10 hundredths, and that 9 and 2/10 is the same as 9 and 20 hundredths.
$9.20.
So, if each space is 100th, that makes the first tick mark after 9 and 1/10. Anyone? Hello? 9 and 11 hundredths. Which makes the next
$9.11.
tick mark 9 and 12 hundredths. And finally, point T is at 9 and 13 hundredths.
9 and
Good
13
job.
cents.
Who wants to do one more example?
I do. I do.
Okay.
Come on, let's learn.
Here, we want to know, where is point
That's
T?
a lot.
So we've got 40 on one end and 43 on the other end and a bunch.
Okay, so let's break this down. Okay, what do we know? We know that the big tick marks are my whole numbers, or whatever my number line is gonna be of, okay? One side is 40, the other side is 43, okay? Then I have 10 tick marks here between this big one, another 10 tick marks between this big one, and then another 10 tick marks between this one. Let's see. If I had 10 cents, okay? Let's see, if I add 10, I would get $41. If I had another one, I would get $42. If I had 10 more, I would get $43, okay? So the big ones, they have to be my whole numbers of 41 and 42. Let's see how we're gonna get the small tick marks, okay?
Just stuff in between. And it looks like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that makes this one 41.
$41.
Then this one is 42.
$42.
Since there are 10 spaces between 41 and 42, each space is a 10.
10 cents.
So this next tick mark is 41 and 1/10, 41 and 2/10, 41 and 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, making point B at 41 and 7/10.
41 and 70 cents.
Good job.
Think of it like
now
money.
you can practice your tenths and hundreds on a number line.
Alrighty. So
Hey
we
everybody,
learned...
today we're
Oh, sorry. So we learned a lot today. So I'm gonna just let that marinate, okay? Let it just sink inside. Decimals on number line, well, it's gonna be kind of hard, but don't worry, I got you, okay? That's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing another video tomorrow, and we're gonna learn more about this, okay? So don't worry. I'll see you tomorrow, and then we'll learn more on decimals and number lines, okay? I hope you have a great day. Bye.